Hello, here I have the Kia Sportage, Kia Sportage, yeah. Okay, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. Okay, we need the screwdriver, okay, and then we need the CR2032 battery. Okay, first thing, right, is release the emergency key. Okay, press the button here. Okay, turn around. Okay, turn around. And then we need to remove the cover here. Okay, if you hold like that, yeah, hold like that, we need to push down the cover here. Okay, if you hold like that, okay, you push it down. Okay, now, and then use the screwdriver, see, to push the CR2032 battery out. Okay, you see the spring is here, so we push from this side. Okay, see. Here we go. Okay, to replace it, okay, go in like that. Okay, go in like that, the spring there, yeah, you go in like that, you just press it down. Okay, press it down, and then you see, line the cover up like that, yeah. Okay, this end go in first. Okay, go in first like that, and then you just press it down. Okay, it's very simple, isn't it? Okay, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you.